You know how when you place an order at your favorite whiskey shop, and then you go to pick up your bottles, and then somehow an extra bottle or two finds their way into your basket? No? Just me? Oh well, let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. If you're new here, I'm Kevin, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have a Highland Scotch from GlenAllachie. This expression is part of their wood finish series, and it's their 12-year-old port wood finish. It's aged 12 years, has a 48% ABV, and is non-chill filtered, has natural color. It also is $115 locally near me. That's what I picked it up for on my shopping trip, but this was a little bit extra in the basket. Now I looked on the GlenAllachie website to see if this was still available, and they do have port wood finishes on their website, but they are the 10-year and the 11-year. They also have a ruby port finish, which is their 12-year now. So apparently these wood finish series bottles are changing all the time, probably because their master distiller, Billy Walker, is just creative like that and decides what needs to go into each series. Now, the GlenAllachie website is a dangerous place full of many temptations, especially for someone like me that likes to try the different expressions that have so many different wood finishes. They have a Pedro Jimenez sherry finish, they have an Oloroso sherry finish, they have Madeira wood, they have all kinds of wine casks. They also have a Virgin Oak cask series, which has Spanish, French, Scottish, and Chihuahuan oak, which is an American oak. As always, I put links to the websites in the description below. I'll leave one definitely for this series because I want to know what expressions you've tried from GlenAllachie. I'd love to hear your thoughts on them. Let me know what you like the different wood finishes, because that's a temptation of mine. And if there's anyone out there that's good, like I hope this one is, I want to try it. So leave a note in the comments, give me all the details. GlenAllachie is independently owned, and it's led by industry veteran Billy Walker, as I stated. He's had over 50 years in the whiskey industry. This distillery is at the foot of Ben Reens, and the distillery lies at the heart of Speyside. It's got 16 on-site warehouses holding over 50,000 casks, and they're definitely into experimentation with all these different finishes, which makes them, like I said, a dangerous place for me to start exploring. So go ahead and tempt me with your impressions, because I kind of love this distillery already. Natural color, non-chill filtered, 48% ABV, and lots of different finishes. It's right in my wheelhouse. All right, let's see what this has got to offer. The nose has a little bit of floral notes to it, and very fruity grapes I'm getting. Some darker fruits like plums, some berries in there. Very, very sweet nose. I think on the website they mentioned roses, which, yeah, I can get that now. I don't know if I could have picked that out without the tips, though, from the website. It's a very gentle nose. It's not giving me a lot of burn, so I'm excited about trying it. Let's dig in. Definitely fruity on the first taste. Some spiciness, like, takes over my tongue right now. The wood spice. A little hint of cinnamon, but it's mostly wood spice. Oh, look at that finish. Oh, nice long finish. Really enjoying that. And along with the spice, there's some dark chocolate, which is a finish I'm really fond of too. The taste really lingers. It's not so sweet on the final taste. There's more of that spiciness, and I really enjoy the texture of this whiskey. It seems to be thick and oily and really coats my tongue. There are definitely more sherry finished whiskeys in my collection than port, but when I get a good port finished whiskey, I really enjoy it, and I really think I'm going to enjoy this one. First taste was spot on, and I'm looking forward to trying it later. Sometimes that first taste out of the bottle might be a little surprising, so I really enjoy that second and third taste to see where it sits in my category of, yes, I'm going to always have this around, or maybe not. My recommendation, I am definitely going to keep this whiskey around. It was not a bad price for a 12-year-old whiskey that has this nice finish to it, that's 48% and has such well taken care of processes. I appreciate when there's a distiller that has been independently owned for years, is someone that's worked there for over 50 years, or at least in the industry over 50 years. You can't beat that kind of quality of taste and expressions. Overall, I'm pretty excited about GlenAllachie. I've only tried a couple of them before, and those were in the advent calendar boxes. so you don't get a really good taste. And I'm tasting with so many other whiskeys, they kind of got lost. But this one came back up on my list because of the Sipper Social Club YouTube channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you for suggesting it, because I think I found a new favorite port whiskey, and I'm looking forward to spending more time with it. Those are my thoughts. What are yours? Let me know in the comments. Have you had this one before? What do you think about it? How does it compare to other port whiskeys you've had? I'd love to hear from you. And until the next episode, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you, and cheers.